हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी, today we are finally doing something new, like which you guys literally missed so much, that you guys have been giving me so many dares, and also like you have been suggesting me that you really want Fantastic Tries It to come back. So here we are. So Fantastics, today is our Fantastic Tries It another episode. So I literally do not remember how many Fantastic Tries It we have done so far. So if any of you guys can count from the beginning, like how many of Fantastic Tries It we have done so far, then let me know in the comments section down below, and I will be pinning some comments. So let me know in the comments like which episode is this. I honestly don't remember. So if you guys have remembered, did you guys hear that? That is the thunder that is happening in actually Hyderabad. So that is why if you guys can hear any rain in the background, please just ignore. So yeah guys, now without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So Fantastics, these are the comments that you guys have given me in the last video. So we have changed our theme a little bit. Instead of writing it in a diary, I thought like let me print and let me give you shoutouts like this, just like how you have given your comment, which is like super nice ideas. So yeah, I have printed it out and this is just how it looks. So idea of choosing the dare will remain same. We will choose the dare with the spinning wheel. But yeah, this is how I am going to display your dares. So if you guys want to get featured on my Fantastic Dares page, then make sure to give your dares in the comment section down below. So this is not just one dares sheet, but we have two more. So like we have a lot of dares that my Fantastics gave. So yeah, like you guys can see, we have two more dares pages, and if you guys want to get featured in the next episode, then make sure to give your dare. So for the next episode, make sure you guys complete the like goal, which is 500 likes. So make sure you guys give this video 500 likes so I can make another video super fast. And yeah guys, this is how it looks. So today we are going to choose the dares from here. This is how it is going to go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total we have 9 dares, and we are going to spin our wheel and decide which one is going to get a shout out. Yeah, let's see who is the lucky one. Yeah Fantastics, now we are going to spin our wheel. Let's spin now. So Fantastics, as you guys can see, the second dare is chosen. Now let's see whose dare is number 2. So as you guys see, this is our winner, Vani Karki. I'm sorry if I am pronouncing your name wrong, but yeah. So let's see the comment. Please make a slime with Surf Excel detergent, my dare. Okay dear, you didn't give me any material else than Surf Excel detergent. So I think this is going to be a no Borax recipe in which the activator will be Surf Excel detergent. So yeah, let's see. Let me show you guys what she actually meant by that. So now we need to make a Surf Excel activator. So I have made a detergent activator before. So if you guys want to see how, I will link how to make Borax video on the I button. In that I have explained it super nicely. So please make sure you check it out. And now let's take a little bit of Surf Excel. So for this I am actually going to take 1 teaspoon, full 1 teaspoon. So this was like 1 teaspoon. So if you only use Surf Excel, then your slime will not be successful, because to activate that we need salt. I will use a little bit of salt. You guys can literally use any type of salt, black salt, pink salt, white salt, any type of salt. It just have to be salt. So this ratio, and then we are going to add water in it, and then we are just going to make it dissolve completely. So now let's add a little bit of water, like this much. It's enough, so that our slime activator will be, you know, super concentrated, and we'll not need a lot of activator. So yeah, let's mix. So we are going to mix it until it gets, you know, dissolved completely. So yeah, let's mix. So when your detergent is completely dissolved like this, then you have to start the process of making slime. So yeah, let's now start making our slime. So it's like so many of you guys have been asking if this slime only works with Fevicol or Fevigum in my how to make Borax video. So now that I have already shown you the Fevicol version in my how to make Borax video, then now I will show you guys Fevigum version if this works or not. So now I have never tried it before as well. So yeah, let's see if this works or not. So I am going to use some Fevigum, and now let's pour it. I am going to pour this much. Now let's start adding our activator, which is, so now let's start activating by adding our, you know, detergent activator, and now let's start mixing it. So you need to, you know, mix it with drop by drop. You guys can see as it is activating super fast. It will be like this before, but after you have completely make it in a slime, then it will come together like this. Can you guys see that? How fast it activated? So now you just need to mix it like this. There will be a little bit of water after, you know, we have added it. The slime will be a little bit watery, and it will release water a little bit, but that does not make our slime any weaker. We need to just throw out that water. But as you guys can see, it is amazing. We need to just keep on kneading it like this, and with like 5-6 drop of activator, our slime is almost ready, you guys. Oh my god. We need to just add 1 to 2 drops more, and it will be super activated. Now as you guys can see, this is how our slime looks. Oh my god. Let me take it out and show you guys. It is a little bit sticky, but it's not like super sticky, as you guys can see. It's super nice, super stretchy as well, and it is not that sticky. As you guys can see, I have nothing on my hands, and this is just so stretchy. It's just such an amazing slime I have made in a long time. Like as you guys can see, oh my god. This is an amazing slime and you guys can play with it for hours, and this is so easy to make. So I will give this dare 8 out of 10. So yeah, now let's see who is our next lucky subscriber. So yeah, let's see. So fantastic, our dares list is here again. Now we'll choose our next dare. So yeah, let's spin. So fantastic, as you guys can see. Now let's see whose dare is number 7. So yeah, let's see. So dare number 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So yeah, let's see whose dare it is. So Riddhi Mittal, I dare you make edible slime with marshmallow and gummy candy. Oh my god. Last time it took me so many hours to make this, and you guys still want me to make edible slime. Oh my god. If you guys, by the way, if you guys haven't checked it out, I have made slime with both of these ingredients on the I button, so make sure you guys can check it out. So if you guys want to see this, so make sure to check it out on I button. Let's see and take somebody else's dare. So yeah, let's spin this wheel again. So as you guys can see, the dare is number 5, and let's see what is dare number 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the dare number 5. So this is from Bhagyalakshmi Saho, and the dare is, I dare you to mix melted chocolate in your slime. Okay, oh my god. Yeah, let's see how that goes. We have a slime, so we are going to mix melted chocolate into this slime. I really don't want to do it, but since it is a dare, let's do that. So fantastic, as you guys can see, this is some hard Amul dark chocolate which I have in my fridge right now. So this is what I'm going to melt. So yeah, now let's melt this in just a second. Now let's see. So fantastic, as you guys can see, our chocolate is super melted. I have also added a little bit of water to help this chocolate melt better, but yeah, it is like super hot. But anyways, now let's complete our dare, and oh my god, I don't like wasting chocolate, but it is what it is. It's your dare and I have to complete it. So let's pour it. I don't know how the slime will react. It will melt, or because it is like super hot, I don't know how it will react with it. Let's see. Oh my god, it is melting since it has a lot of sugar, and this is hot as well, so it will melt our slime like super badly. But still, let's see. Oh my god, can you guys look how weird that looks? Oh my god, it is melting. I hope it does not completely melt, but yeah, let's see. As you guys can see, let me try and get this completely mixed into the slime, but this is not mixing, guys. Slime is just another type of liquid, and this is another. Their composition is not melting together. This looks so gross. Oh my god, yeah, this does not look good. Let me just put it away. Oh my god. So yeah, fantastics, that was all. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you guys want more fantastic tries it, you guys know what you have to do. You have to click that like button and make sure to like this video so that our goal will be completed, 500 likes, so I can get another episode of fantastic tries it for you guys. And yeah guys, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.